Welcome back to Techno Tutor TV. Are you looking to level up your YouTube TV experience? In this video, we're sharing the best tricks and tips that will help you navigate like a pro, save time, and discover even more great content. Let's dive in. First up, customizing your channel guide. Did you know you can reorder the channels in your live TV guide? Head to Settings, then Live TV, and you should find an option to manage channels. Here, you can drag and drop your favorite channels to the top of the list, making it much faster to find what you want to watch. Next tip, mastering the quick guide. When you're watching live TV, try pressing the down button on your remote. This may vary depending on your device. This often brings up a mini guide that shows you what's currently playing on other channels without leaving your current program. It's a super quick way to channel surf. Here's a trick for the DVR. Unlimited isn't forever. While YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR space, recordings are typically kept for 9 months. So, if you have something you absolutely want to keep, make sure to watch it before it expires. Another great tip, using Search like a pro. The search function on YouTube TV is powerful. You can search for specific shows, movies, channels, actors, or even keywords. Try using more specific terms to narrow down your results and find exactly what you're looking for. This one's for sports fans, adding sports teams to your library. Instead of recording individual games, you can add entire sports teams to your library. YouTube TV will then automatically record live games and even some highlight shows related to that team. Just search for your team and look for the option to add them to your library. Here's a tip for seamless viewing, adjusting video quality. If you're experiencing buffering or want to save data, you can adjust the video quality in the settings. Go to Settings, then Playback, and you'll find options to set the video quality to auto, high, medium, or low. Did you know you can create multiple profiles? If you have family members using the same YouTube TV account, setting up individual profiles is a game changer. Each person gets their own personalized recommendations and DVR library. You can usually manage profiles in the account or family sharing settings. Here's a quick navigation tip, using the back button. On most devices, the back button will take you to the previous screen you were on within the YouTube TV app. It's a simple but effective way to quickly navigate. For those who like to multitask, picture-in-picture on mobile. If you're using the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet, you might be able to use the picture-in-picture feature to keep watching while you use other apps. This functionality depends on your device's capabilities. Finally, a tip for discovery, explore the Home tab. Don't underestimate the Home tab. YouTube TV's algorithms are pretty good at suggesting content you might enjoy based on your viewing history. Regularly check it out to discover new shows and movies. So those are some of the best tricks and tips to help you master YouTube TV. We hope these insights from Techno Tutor TV will enhance your viewing experience. Do you have any favorite YouTube TV tips? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.